but we got a diagonal then.
Going?
Yeah.
Let's go. It is just after 12. We are open, officially open. We're going to greet the drivers. It should be rolling in any second. I know it's only got laps today. I got new ones at home. What's up, dude?
Dang, that's sick. I ran up. The next thing I know, I'm like this. And I'm not even.
Trying. Thank you, sir.
So, what are you about to do and how are you feeling about it?
I feel fantastic. No, we're about to do the drivers meeting and kick off the weekend for the second Welcome to the Drift Mansion Invitational. This is the winter event, and we have this drivers meeting and about a 30-minute window following that before cars will go on track, and we'll kick this thing off. Time for you to go back on track. You just pull through. feel exhausted and excited. Feel really good. It went really smooth, and after the first one, this second one I think is going better, so that's all you can ask for. After that, we are going to switch to a different layout. Those are just kind of like a quick representation of the layout itself. That area, that's basically like a straightaway, we're going to build some switchbacks out of cones.
Gotta fill a hole. So, we'll make it work. At least I can drive, hopefully finish the weekend.
So we had cars coming directly across this intersection here in the middle of the track, and it's kind of wavy, and you can see some of the marks on the track. One, we don't want to destroy the asphalt, but on top of that, a lot of the cars are seeing damages and getting really disrupted in the suspension coming across it. So we've modified the layout. Luckily, there's so many variations here, but we've modified the layout to come left, and hopefully this will still be a really cool elevation transition, but it won't be as rough on the cars.
Cars to grid, you're good to go, Mars.
Track is hot, sending cars.
Dude, you got the great job. Oh yeah.
Great driving. Great work.
Hey.
Great work. Thanks for all your work.
No
Killed it. Great job. Another successful event.
Yeah, man.
How was it?
It was solid. Day 2 was dry. Dry and the sun came out, so like that was a million times better than yesterday. We tried out a new layout. It was way too rough on the cars, so we learned that. And then we switched that layout up and we ran a different layout that was really smooth, and all the cars were able to keep going, and I think everybody liked it because it was a little faster, so I'm happy with it.
Damn, it loses that.
Good. I think I got a little too much pressure in the tire though. It was a little slippery in the back for how cold it is. Even after I warmed them up, I just still felt a little sloppy in the back. So drop the tire pressure a little bit more and see what that little adjustment can do for me.
Behind the house.
Yeah, dude. Yeah.
Dang.
Cautiously.
Dude, that felt great. The change to the tire pressure was awesome. Thank you for doing that.
Yeah.
Good
So
advice.
what? Dropped it from
50 to 30.
Yeah. And you noticed the immediate change.
Yeah,
right?
big difference. Yeah, it wasn't nearly as squirrely in the back. It was solid.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, now you hop in John's 370,
Cool.
which probably makes like 100 more horsepower.
Yeah. Dude, this thing is awesome. That little bit of extra power, you can really feel it. It's fun.
You actually had to do more like throttle modulation.
Yeah, I felt myself having to come off. Whereas that car, I had to lay in more. This one, I had to step back a little. I felt it in my soul. It's a power steering line, man. It's just, there's two nuts, and we're trying to tighten one, but the other one is seized to the line. So to tighten one, the line is spinning. So just now I had to break loose the outside nut to get the line to swivel. Now I'm good to tighten the inside nut, followed by the outside nut. I mean, really, as much as I've already beat on the car, if this is the first big issue, like, still win, for sure.
Once you do that, then you can put that